Hey everyone, I want to talk to you real quick about grub worms once again to make sure you get your products right for this time of year. I talked a lot in the spring about your preventative, making sure you get a preventative down in May and June so you don't have a grub worm problem. That product is imidacloprid, something with imidacloprid in it that prevents the grubs. But right now, if you see damage and you didn't get a preventative, then you have to go with a contact killer. It's a totally different product. They're not the same. The preventative will not work right now. Imidacloprid will not work. So if you didn't get the preventative and you're seeing signs of damage, you're going to have to go find a contact killer, something that will kill the adult active grubs. What we use is this product right here. It's called Dilox. It works really well. You can order it online, or you can go to a garden center and you can find something that's similar, that works similar if you just ask your local garden center. So that's what you need to look for. The key about controlling grubs, if you have damage, is catching it early. The earlier you catch it, the smaller, the younger those grubs are, the better this stuff works. The older they get, the more mature they get, the more widespread that damage gets. Sometimes you have to do multiple applications with this in order for it to work. So the earlier the better. Get out there, check your lawn if you didn't get that preventative. For any signs of damage, and if you've got signs of damage or grubs, go ahead and get some of the stuff and get it put down. So hope that helps. Have any questions, let us know. Thanks.